9C, Exercise 2, page 104, and Exercise 5, page 105.
Dream jobs. They say that life is what you make of it. But can you really make a career out of something you care about? Of course you can. But your dream job could be just as demanding as any other career choice. Dreams come in all shapes and sizes, so understanding your personal values is the key to keeping yourself motivated. Once you know what kind of life you're aiming for, you can set realistic goals and work towards them with confidence. Dylan Scott Pierce may look like an average teenager, but since he was a young boy, he has focused on capturing the spirit of animals in his watercolour paintings. As a child, Dylan enjoyed drawing sketches of lions and dinosaurs. By the age of 10, he was travelling around the country entering his work in art shows. And today his wildlife paintings sell for as much as $20,000. That's pretty good for a young artist.
I think we all have talent,
Dylan says.
but I was lucky enough to discover mine at a really young age.
Dylan's passion to get closer to the animals he paints has taken him on many adventures, and he's met lots of kids who want to become artists too. So, can anyone follow in Dylan's footsteps? Dylan says,
The most important thing is just to do what you love and don't let anyone else tell you that you can't do it.
Exercise 4B, page 105.
Hello?
Hello. Samantha, is that you?
Yes, it's me. Hi, Dad. What's up?
Well, I picked up an application for you from Clara's Cafe on the seafront.
Oh, thanks, Dad. But I'm not sure I really want to work in a cafe.
Well, I know it's not very glamorous, but you do need to get a summer job.
Yes, but...
Come on. I'll help you fill out the application form. Let's see. Name, Samantha Evans. Address, 16 Groves End, Brighton. Now, date of birth, 21st of September, 1989.
Dad, that's Chris's birthday. Mine is the 11th of September.
Oh yes, sorry. At least I got the month right. Telephone, 773726. And your mobile number, what is it again? I can never remember it.
78027 56048.
780 what?
78027 56048.
Good. Now, under education, we can put down that you've completed your GCSEs. What do you think?
Fine, whatever.
Now, work experience. You did your placement at that advertising firm in Runnymede, didn't you? What was it called again? Chester and Barnes. Yes, that's right. Now, what did you do there?
Nothing much, really. Mostly made coffee.
Let's put down junior office assistant. Right, that just leaves personal qualities. We can say you're hardworking, reliable, and I suppose you can be polite and friendly when you want to be.
Dad?
Okay. I was only kidding. Listen, I've written it down. Polite and friendly. Now get your coat on and I'll go get the car.